So you're going to download the file linked in the description. Once it's downloaded, you're going to extract the files, and you're going to open the folder. You're going to open Start Andromeda Batch file, and then you're going to go to your phone, scroll down to About Phone in your settings, tap on Build Number about 7 times. If you've already done this, you don't need to do this again. Then go to Developer Options, scroll down until you find USB debugging, and you're going to enable that, and then press OK. Then go to your Play Store, search for Substratum and install that. Search for Andromeda and install that. And then open Substratum, go through the menus, make sure the app's working fine, then close out. It says you're going to check your status. So you're going to go to the computer and you're going to plug your phone in, and then you're going to press any key to continue. It's going to run with the script. Then it's going to automatically open up Substratum, but that's fine. You can close Substratum, then go back to the Play Store and search for a theme. I like Swift Black, it's very good. Download that, then open up Substratum, click on your theme that you want to install, click your Android version, it's very important. Then also make sure to select your accent colors, and then also any app versions if the theme requires it. Then when you're done, press the little button, build and enable, and when that's done, reboot, and you should be okay. Everything should be working. If not, make sure to leave a comment on this video.